Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Click on the subscription button down below to join the fam. And in today's video, we will be doing a wash day / styling routine, and I'll be using some product from the Zluxci natural range of products. So this is how their packaging is. It's very nice. Like, I'm always impressed with packages that are neatly designed, like hair products that are neatly packaged. Like, I'm in for it. Okay, so once I take off the package, of course, if I try sliding it like this, the product is gonna fall, but I will try. So if you buy this package, you get a minty shampoo, moisturizing conditioner, hair growth oil, hair repair mask, and then a styling / curling treat. Okay, so you have all these sets in one box. So first off, I'm gonna begin by applying the minty shampoo on my hair. So let me give you a close-up of how my hair is like. It's really dirty. I haven't washed it in like 2 weeks because I was wearing wigs. So this is my hair right now. So before I begin, I'm gonna dab my hair with some water. This is my minty shampoo, and mind you, I always use this product, and I think I'm running out of it. I'm running out of it. I use it like most of the times. Just look at this guy. Look at the intensity. So I'm gonna apply the shampoo. This product smells really good, like you have no idea. You need to try this product out, guys. It smells really good, and all the contents, like the ingredients in this hair, are all organic, natural hair product. So I'm gonna massage my scalp very well, like right here. Sometimes you get itchy, so I'm gonna use this opportunity to kind of rub my fingers through and stretch my scalp really well. At this stage, after applying the shampoo and then I went ahead to wash it off, my hair feels really soft right now. Like, see, I haven't brushed it or done anything to it, just finger combing throughout the hair, and there are no knots whatsoever. My hair feels really soft. Next, I'll be putting in the hair repair mask. I haven't actually used this product yet. Gosh. So this is how that one also looks like. It smells really nice. Once I rinse off the conditioner and everything, I'm gonna apply this oil. This is the hair growth oil. Just a few pumps. My hair. Last thing is to put in this pomade. This is the hair styling treatment. I'm done doing the 2 strands cornrow in my hair. I'm gonna leave it on for about 2 to 3 hours for the water to dry, and then I'll start unraveling it to get the twist-style curls effect that I want. It is not perfect, like I'm a lazy braider. It's not perfect, so this is what I have. And the back. As you can see, it's not all that perfect, but it's manageable. So I'll see you guys in 2-3 hours. Alright guys, so I waited for 4 good hours for my hair to dry up so I can unravel the twist. So before I start, I'm gonna spray it on some hairspray. This is olive oil hairspray, just to give it a shine. And then I'll begin unraveling it. So I'm done unraveling all the twists, and this is what I got. So next I'll be applying on some hair gel using the Gorilla Snow Block for my edges. Not too much, just to kind of lay my edges down a little. We are done, guys. This is the style. Like, there's nothing special about this hairstyle, guys. Anybody can do it. So I can't really call it a style because it's just a ponytail. Okay, but this is how it turned out. But this is how the hair turned out. I'm really loving it, guys. My hairstyle feels really fresh and neat. Not too much gel at the front. That's my back. As you can see, I didn't add any gel to the back. So guys, that'll be all for this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, or better still, give me recommendations on how best I can go with my hair. Leave me product suggestions on anything, leave me video suggestions, anything at all, guys. Leave it in the comment section down below. And also don't forget to follow Zluxci on IG at Zluxci. I'll leave everything down below. And guys, please, I'm begging you guys, please subscribe to my channel. Like, what's up, girlfriend? Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my IG at 2_Maame Abena 2_. As always, I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Peace out.